So this is my public apology dahil sinabihan kong corny si Kurt. I'm so sorry. Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali, di ba? Kasi I'm so Hindi, parang hindi naman basta. Sobrang dami ko ng problema. Yung mga anak ko, yung yung tatay ko. So, I'm making this public apology kasi sorry talaga. So, to prove my apologies. So, for my apology, I invited my friend Cebuano na Mr. Bean to say some words for you na so you can apologize me.
Nauna ka Kurt Nicolas Crisostomo. Palihog pasaylao akong amigo nga si Maurice kay daghan siyag problema maog
I hope you accept my apologize and please China don't attack us please. I haven't slept for Philippine West Sea is mine ours, so please washing show please don't get the West Philippine Sea from us. I haven't told my mother I'm gay.